desperate man goes on a rampage against the police. He was somehow able to steal a police cruiser that was equipped with a shotgun. The man turns the officer's own weapon against them. This is who police found.
You got lots of ways out, brother. This ain't the end, man. This just, come on now. Now, he just stole a squad car. He just stole a squad. He's northbound on 51 in the southbound lanes, and that's marked squad unit. Let's go, come on, come on. Come on, Albert, get up here. Come on. Get on the ground.
Bring him down 51, so they know where we're at. It's also